Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you a new hydration bag which I bought today, which is this Raida hydration bag. This is 2-liter bag and I bought it around 2,750 rupees from Amazon. So the reason why I bought this was mainly the capacity of the water bag. So previously I had Decathlon 1-liter bag, and during the Dubai ride I was out of water pretty soon, and I had a lot of issues riding without water and drinking mud water. So you must have seen in the video. So that's the reason I bought this new bag, and also there are few little features which I like about the pockets and everything. So let me unbox this and show you what we have in this. Okay, this is the bag, and it has bag small pocket here, one with the zip and another with the mesh, and even the other side you have similar pockets. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty cool. And you get this hat also. Alright, so what else? Totally it comes with 2 to 4 or 6, 7 pockets in the front. That's 2 mesh ones and 2 zipped ones, and then on the side also there are 2 pockets, and here one more, and here. So this is pretty cool. You have a lot of options to keep small stuff. So you get a zip, a small compartment here to keep your goggle or anything like that, quick accessing items. And there's one more pocket here, you can keep anything there. And then here was the main hydration bag. So this is 2-liter bag. So you have a quick release option here, and also here you have a cap like this. Okay, that's not focusing. So this is the one. So cool. So tomorrow I'm riding to Dubai again with Duke 390 wearing this. Yeah, I hope we don't get into the same situation as before. Right. Oh, this is pretty cool. At this price, there are a lot of features in this bag which I haven't seen any other hydration bag. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. If you do, please do like, share and subscribe, and watch all other my videos. Thank you. See you in next video.